Welcome back, guys. Bit of an overcast day today, really, ain't it? Apparently, there's been some big fire in Catalonia, I think. So, there's a bit of smoke blown over from that. But rather quite cloudy, and earlier it was scheduled to rain on my phone, so yeah, bit worrying there. Got me ultra mic with us. There he is.
Are you going to tell them the news, Marcus?
Not yet. I'll leave that for a better area. Town hall behind us, of course, which is where most of your sort of events happen. Yeah. Early morning start today, so I'll try and get out, get some videos done quickly before the heat, before the boiling hot temperature. Of course, a typical Spain saying coming into play down on the bottom, down on corner there. Wherever you go in Benidorm, you can't escape where it works. Seems to be something going on to Bingo Hall. Show you this. Got Hotel Bristol here. Apparently a very nice hotel from what I've heard. Then of course the Backer Hotel Agua just about make a RH Hotel Victoria, RH Hotel Royal just there. Then of course Primavera Park or Primavera Park or however you pronounce it. Right now is a challenge crossing the crossing, which we managed to succeed. Got a local library there as well, just underneath this sort of rather grand looking balcony. Of course, Bristol reception's just there. Not too far from town as well, literally just I had to walk up that way there, in front, just there. You'll get to town, or you can follow the way round here to get into town. This way's the way we're going. Got the Monday Mar advert on the boards. Gonna try speed up, got some work going on. With a bit of luck, guys, the sun will come out today. Fingers crossed. He says that as there's a loud rumble of thunder in the background and big flashes of lightning.
See them?
Yeah, I'm joking. Would be nice though. Hang on, I'll try to show you that. If you could see that, you could see the sun's just trying to break through the clouds, winning a losing battle.
Where, who knows where got mugged?
Oh, these are the steps where a friend of ours got mugged, who knows where. Wherever you go in Benidorm, you can't escape noise. Anyway, gonna head round to Plaza de Triangular now. Then maybe head down onto Seafront.
Why are you making a white, mate?
Yeah, well, no, I know.
Big news, you're making a white.
Not got to build up suspense. Plus,
Best thing that's happened this year, isn't it, Mark?
yeah, but I've got the idea the longer we wait, the more it might have increased. If you know what I mean. So Plaza de Triangular here, looking quite quiet at the moment. I can assure you, later on in the day it will be busy as hell. Gonna take a walk down front. Starbucks there as well. I can't remember we were asking Pat that last night. I mean, tonight on stream. I think it were Anne-Marie Pollitt. Yeah, I'm sure it were Anne-Marie. So anyway, whoever it was who asked, it's a Starbucks in Plaza de Triangular, not Costa. I'm surprised we haven't got a Costa yet. We've got everything else. Popeyes there. Let's have a look at this offer. €8. Looks like you get a couple chicken strips and 2 large beers. I don't think they look too large, do they? I mean, still could be a good offer. Going ahead down Seafront now. Also got this one, barbecue bacon burger. Then you got like 3 barbecue chicken strip things. Tons of offers. All the brightly coloured chairs outside as well. Gonna walk on again because music playing. I wonder if beach will be busy today, cause I mean, it is a little bit chilly to be honest.
Not that bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
A bit windy, but
Huh? Is a tree falling over there? I'm not sure whether the trees fell over or the branches broke, but if you can see that, guys. I didn't even realise it was that windy last night, to be honest. Just like completely come off on me. God. Were it really that windy last night?
I didn't think so.
I didn't think so either. Unless maybe someone just had a few pints and thought they were Tarzan. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that video. A short walk from Benidorm Town Hall to the beach. I'll show you this on the next one, actually. So guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.